Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode of Beauty Graffiti. Today's Halloween look is Megamind. So let me get into character. There it is, Megamind. Follow the video, I'm going to show you how I did it. So before I ever start any look or even my regular makeup, I make sure I wash my face, and I love to use Younique's Gentle Moisture Boosting Cleanser. And then immediately after, I love to use Younique's Divine Moisturizer. This has squalane in it, which is just super hydrating. It's also a wrinkle reducer, so win-win. All right, let's get to the look. I'm gonna put on some primer. Let's go. I'll also have a link below for these two products in particular, but feel free to try all of Younique skincare. I am addicted to it. You will too. The quality, the results, everything. Oh, yes. So if you noticed what I did with my primer for this particular look, I actually put it on my ears as well. I made sure I got everywhere on my face and my neck because I'm gonna be using makeup on my neck too for this look. So anytime you guys are using makeup, even on just a regular daily look, you always wanna have primer wherever you're gonna place your makeup. The primer helps your makeup stick and stay. It also creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup so that your skin doesn't soak in your makeup, and that would leave your colors looking faded or not the true color that you really wanted to see. So primer will let the true color of your pigments really show through, so always be sure to use your primer. The next thing I'm gonna do is my hair, so you're gonna see me do a bunch of stuff, but I'm also gonna make my hair blue today for Megamind, and I use the green stick for my last look for Envy. So this is how the hair chalk with that one look, this is how much I used. So this is actually called mini hair color combs, and I will have the link below. I'm gonna use the blue today. I've been having so much fun. So I'm gonna unwrap it, do my hair, and we'll do that in time lapse. So what I do when I'm copying a character is I'll find pictures that I want to use, and I'll put them on my laptop, and I'm sitting right in front of my laptop staring at the picture, and I'll visualize it on my face. So for Megamind, his face is low, his head is big, so I'm visualizing his eyebrows here, his eyes, his nose, his mouth, and his chin goes down to a point. So I'm going to bring it down to my neck, bring it up, and work that out with shadows to make my face appear long and thin like Mr. Megamind. So let me show you what my computer looks like. So let's get to the look. The first thing I'm gonna do is sketch out the look with my black precision liner. So once I have the basic placing, this is where I can really kind of hone in and get all the shading done. So here we are. I'll see you at the end. Look how yellow this makeup makes my teeth look. My teeth aren't really yellow. They just look like it against this white, man. Wow. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And absolutely subscribe. Definitely subscribe so you will see the very first uploads of Beauty Graffiti. I'm on my Halloween series. I'm having so much fun. So thank you for being here with me. Remember, rock your beauty. That's 100% you. And go tell the world you're here. That's your graffiti. Take care.